Alright, we're back again in Mr. Survival. It's currently day 7, about 9 o'clock in the morning. Today we're going to go over on the Longbow, making arrows, and hopefully we should be able to raid a couple bandit camps. We're going to need some leather, so this is now done. So once this animal hide's done, you just collect it. I'm going to put this raw on there, so it can start drying as well. And then go over to your workbench. You're going to make leather. I need 8 leather to make a quiver for my arrows. I've already made some arrowheads, but to make arrowheads you're going to go over to the anvil, and you're going to use low quality metal, and for each one you're going to get 4 arrowheads. So now I'm going to need some sticks. I'm going to probably need all 32 of these to make the bow and the arrows. I need to go hurry up and rescue one survivor at least, so I have somebody to help make all this stuff. Alright, so I have the leather. I want to make this tactical quiver. I don't even want to bother making these other ones. The basic quiver is pretty easy, just 8 rags. The leather quiver, it'll hold 2 sets of arrows instead of just 1, and this tactical one holds 3. I already have this stuff. It's already day 7, so there's no use in making the lower quality ones. So I'm just going to make this one. This is probably going to take most of the day to do this. And then I'm going to go to the bow, and then I'm going to make this one, the longbow. I don't bother with a basic bow either, because it's only 4 more sticks. It's the same amount of lashings and same amount of dried animal guts. You just had to have upgraded the workbench to level 2. So take 2 hours to make this. And now I'm going to need some arrows. I'm going to make 8 of these, because that's all the feathers I've been able to collect so far. And the rest of them I'm going to make just regular arrows. Actually, I'm going to need 4 more sticks. Alright, now I'm just going to make regular standard arrows. Now this has took almost the whole day just to craft all this stuff. Alright, I'm going to quickly show you the what is that? The target. 2 logs, 4 planks, and split half. 2 logs. And 4 log planks. When you're practicing, it's best to put this near a wall in case you completely miss. Hopefully the wall will let you be able to find the arrows. That's your little dummy target. Alright, once you have your arrows, if you go over to your quiver and you right click it, you'll see an add arrows, and then you'll have 3 spots you can put your arrows. If you made the tactical quiver, 2 for the second one, and it'll just have 1 spot for the just 1 spot for the standard one. It just needs cloth, so I don't even bother with them. I just get the 3 quiver. Now after you get it, you're going to equip it, and it'll go down in here. From here you can also add arrows as well, so you don't have to unequip it and then equip it, so it's Easy. And then to switch your arrows you have in your quiver, you can just hit the R button for me. I don't know what it is for you, but and then you can see what you have. Until I make more hunting arrows, I will only use the hunting arrows for bandits. These basic wooden arrows, I can just collect sticks and be able to make them on the fly. And if you notice, the arrows are kind of going to the left and a little bit up of the actual target. So if you want to hit the bullseye, you got to aim to the little bit to the right and a little bit down. Well, I missed it there. A little bit up. If you're not used to this bow, I suggest you practice with it a little bit. Because it's the way it aims, it's not like you got a little dot, it'll tell you where it's going. You got to kind of judge it. The farther away is, the farther distance is, the more you're going to have to aim up. But the good thing about the hunting arrows and this longbow, you could shoot a hunter in his toe and it's going to kill him. It doesn't matter where you shoot a hunter, it will kill him. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and eat and probably sleep, and then we're going to go do a quick bandit raid. And probably tomorrow I'm going to have to go and find food, because I probably have like 2 days left of food. I somehow misplaced my M4. I'm not sure where exactly I put it. So I'm going to have to get me another one. I have to fill up my water. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sleep till tomorrow morning. Best way to sleep is on top of this. Alright, it's day 8 now. I think it's day 8, yep. We're going to go get our first survivor. Need a drink. Let's see if you got anything. Sometimes those guys will have actual stuff after they just died, but most of the time they don't. Alright, we're at the White House, so I'm going to go get the first survivor. Down the road. I'm going to go down here. Up over here. And then we're going to start going up this little hill. Now I'm going to end up walking because that's just right up here. Make sure I got my shotgun. Now, if I do this right, I won't aggro anybody and nobody will shoot at me. Watch it. I almost got seen right there. That was almost bad. I wasn't expecting him to be walking up there. There's the other one. He sees me. Or he saw the dead bandit. I'm not sure exactly why they're actually coming out. Didn't I miss that one? No, these are not good. Alright, that's 3 bandits. I got 2 arrows left. Any of them drop anything? I like to move these guys because a lot of times they'll fall and their weapons will disappear. Not disappear, but they'll be underneath them. And I definitely want to get back my arrow. So if I can't see it, I'll definitely have to knock them out around till they move. No rifles or nothing. I can't remember how many bandits are in here, but I'm just really sneaking around. Just want to check, make sure there's no other bandits. Ooh. Once I make sure all the bandits are clear, I'll go in and rescue the NPC and pick up all the stuff that I can. And I have these 3 arrows down here. With the regular arrows, if you get a headshot on them, you can usually kill them. But if you don't, you'll aggro them and they'll start shooting at you. So that was four bandits, and nobody aggroed, nobody shot at me. It's just I end up losing 2 arrows. And I probably won't be able to find them. When I go for the big bandit camp, the one right above the hill by the right by the hill by the White House, I'll wait till I have at least 24 arrows, because there's 3 snipers and then anywhere from 8 to 12 regular dudes on the ground. I do have a video up posted of me raiding that, but I didn't have any I didn't have a good mic, so I didn't record any voice on it, and I kind of had to speed through there because the fog came in, or mist came in, and I had to hurry. It was kind of I definitely had to move a lot faster than I normally would. Alright, so there's nothing on any of these RVs or nothing, so I think that's about it loot so I can go ahead and rescue Kate or Rachel, whichever one it is. So we dealt with 4 bandits. I didn't even have to use my crowbar on that. One thing when you do this, when you rescue her, don't do anything else. Just rescue her, hit the proceed button, and don't hit the don't try to move, don't do anything else, because then she's going to give you this next little screen. And I've went out of my inventory or something, and it totally screwed this up, and I had to reload a save, and it definitely wasn't fun. But now she's gonna go back to the house. I got me an upgrade thing. There's no I don't see any seeds here, which I was hoping there was gonna be seeds, just so I knew exactly where they were. All the bandits are dead, so I can go ahead and use my sledgehammer. I like to clear these vehicles around these bandit camps, because they almost always respawn faster than any other vehicles do, so I definitely raid those. Check, see if I can hit anything else. One of the reasons I try to get the sledgehammer so early is it has a whole lot more durability than the axe does, and it takes a whole lot less whacking to break something apart. Alright, take this down. Check these cars. Take some fuel. Oh, just fill the tank. No. Thought I filled the wrong one. Give me some pills. Soda. Eh. Another thing you could do on this, when you're dealing with a sledgehammer, I'm not sure what's going on with it right now, but you can glitch it. Like mine is in number 2 spot. So if I pull it out, put it back in with it in the number 2, it will not take my stamina away. So like my stamina is just sitting there. So that's something weird with the sledgehammer. So use it, don't use it, it's up to you. Alright, I'm gonna go down and collect what's in this little area as well. I don't remember if there's much down here. Food, I need food. You can't get in this building as of right now, or at least not that I know of. Hopefully they'll make these buildings that you can't get in actually have something in them eventually, so they're all useful in some way. Got me another box that I can Alright, I think I'm going to end the video here. So we got our first survivor. Actually, let's go back, check, see if she's even home. There she is. Good old Rachel.
Hey.
Right now, the only one that actually can do anything, you got talk, status, inventory. Scott has a third option that lets you actually be able to cut down trees, but you can use all these other ones for making whatever. You just, let's have her make some sticks real quick, or an arrow, or just make a stick, craft AI, and put there's a little button here, and then assign Rachel to it, and she'll come in and do it. But that's how you assign AIs. Alright. I hope I helped somebody out. I will catch y'all later.